Hello everyone, welcome to Boutiqart Younique Mela, the perfect place to find your unique Diwali gifts. I am so excited. Your digital shop for unique creations.
Show your handmade, crafted, or creative product in action or service you provide.
Step 2. Upload and share. We shall spread the word, share on socials, and let your brand shine with Boutiqart this Diwali. Let people buy from you.
Boutiqart will help you in e-commerce and exports to make your brand unique this festive season.
Winners of the contest get digital shop setup, Boutiqart B2B Profile, brand audit, Amazon listing.
Join Boutiqart Younique contest, 99 rupee entry. Your video goes live now.